Go.
Okay, I'm collecting samples. I'm collecting samples of each element, and I'm having a lot of trouble doing that. Here we go. Oh, there.
Don't pick the nose. Why are they connected?
You're supposed to get only one crystal of each. Oh god.
How are you supposed to do it? 3?
Yeah. Taking it. It's like sulfur stuff. How come there's none in there? Oh, there's like none. So this is very poisonous and radioactive, and I'm gonna die of cancer. Come on. It smells awful. I think that's you, actually. Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay, I just want to know the
What?
like things being filmed.
I know. What's going on? It, like,
Dude, you can get that stuff.
No more sticks left.
Word.
Yeah, she hasn't filled up yet.
Yeah, I need. Where did it go?
Dude, fill me up.
Is this number 2? That's number 1.
Fill right in oil. You guys go there?
Huh?
That place?
What place?
You know the J.S. Oil?
Yeah.
Oh, you loser.
You need to work on your acting skills.
One partner is doing one.
Well, I'm just putting the elements into each of the.
Josh!
I'm getting collecting 3 samples. Hey, use this one. Get this one.
Okay.
Collecting 3 samples.
But it has to be the 4th one down, right?
Yeah.
You just need one little sample.
Although the last one, I put it in, it just exploded into a bunch of them. The last one.
Oh, and there's water in there. Yeah, but that's okay because these.
Oh, these are the ones. I think that's brittle.
Anyway, so
Probably.
that should be fine.
Oh yeah. Alright.
Great, Richard's ruining it.
Ow! Thanks, Josh.
That wasn't
Did you
very
get a
nice.
bunch of them in there? Or?
Just like
No, not that.
That only hurt a lot.
it only hurt a lot.
Yep.
Right. Okay. So I have samples of all of them. Now we will go back to the table.
I'm gonna trip.
Allison will be done. Allison. Oh, come on. Okay.
I can't even see my eyes. Come on! You're talking.
Would you like me to do this one while I'm waiting?
Oh,
Should I do this one while I'm waiting?
Can I have a good song?
Alright, so this is the malleability station, and it says to wipe off the forceps with paper towel and hold the side of the sample with forceps and tap gently. So,
paper towels over here.
How hard could that be, Kyle?
Okay. So, hold the side of the sample with forceps and tap gently. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. I think they mean with the
Oh, yes.
So we're going to hit it with a hammer.
Oh, that's not very gentle.
I don't know. Is that gentle? She said to hit it pretty hard. It's not breaking or bending. So. Oh yeah. Well, I think it's bending. It bent. So I'm sure. So I'm gonna say describe it as malleable. Malleable. So I'll put the sample back in. And I'm going to take the sample number 2. And nope, that is very brittle. Okay. Now, number 3.
Table runs.
When you get it out, that would be great. Hey, Jeff, I think we're over. Here we go.
Come on! You can pour it. You can pour it.
It's stuck to the hammer. Okay, it's definitely brittle.
Where are you looking? Right in that one?
Now we will go to sample number 4. It is too crumbly to get out, so I'm assuming it is brittle. We can just put it down. Okay, so I'm going to do this crystal right there.
He flattened it.
I think it's pretty malleable, actually. So we're going to go with malleable.
Your turn.
And it's both malleable. This is terrible.
Say that again?
It's both malleable and brittle because it breaks apart easily, but when you hit it, it's dense. Put it on top.
Okay, this is 5.
Cameraman. That is brittle.
Alright, so, what are you doing? Other physics problems.
So wait, what do you
Now we have 6. How are we going to hammer something that's already flat?
So this is over.
That one's stuck and I can't get it out.
Sure, we're gonna
It's the same thing.
I dared to hit it with this end, but
There's one right in here, but that's okay. Like, you don't have to react to it.
Oh, yeah.
Got it.
Yeah.
oh no, that's the wrong one.
You can go ahead and. Oh, I already did mine. I don't.
Oh no.
You can put.
Probably not a good thing, Joe.
Yeah, it's okay. It's just, I think it looks like 2 folds. Oh! Try
Hit
again.
it.
Yeah, it's definitely bending.
Malleable.
Oh, okay. Or maybe there's. Can we use mouse?
It's bubbling.
On that one, yeah.
It's bubbling.
Yeah, definitely.
Wow, now I can see the last number coming out.
Oh, is it
Leave it there.
following? So it's kind of like slow reaction. Slow. Wait, what? Yeah.
This is sample 7.
I missed out.
You want to guess what it is before you hit it?
Copper.
No, but I mean if it's malleable or.
If it's malleable,
Yeah.
yeah, I think it's
Let's see
malleable.
what's malleable. It's like those.
It's very, yeah, it's very malleable.
That is hitting here.
And then we have this one. Sample 8.
Oh, that looks pretty malleable.
This is smooth.
I don't think so. Maybe.
Ah!
Oh my gosh, that's on Emily's hair.
That's come over towards me because I heard it.
Yeah, it did. It went over there. It was number 8. So it's neither. It's just like.
I don't think so.
This is a great
If she was
video.
stronger, it would have dented.
Okay, so it's malleable.
It did dent the first time.
Malleable. Okay. Alright.
Ignore the lying.
So actually, let's do luster. Number 1 is actually color. Color is silver. Is that an appropriate color? Number 2 is black.
They are writing their colors.
Number 3 looks as if to be yellow, in my opinion.
That's okay, you can do that.
And number 4 is pretty grayish, dark grayish. I would not call it blue, but that's okay. You can say blue if you want. I would say dark gray.
I didn't think they are yet. Number 3.
Other.
Okay, 5 is
She said, as we go on, we can check to make sure that they're.
Yeah.
6 is silver. Orangey brown.
Dude, zoom in.
Lord.
Dude, come on. Zoom in. The first one is very lustrous. So lustrous.
Looks kind of dull to me.
The first one is lustrous. It is lustrous. Second one is not lustrous.
Not.
The third one is not lustrous. Fourth one is lustrous, yes.
Fifth one is.
Okay, ready? Switch!
Okay, so we're just gonna switch. Okay.
You didn't do anything, did you?
So we gotta take these.
You just
Oh wait, we need these, right?
Can I just squeeze it?
Where are you going?
Okay, now this is the hydrochloric acid station. So, what you do here is you put a little bit, carefully fill the pipette with HCl, hydrochloric acid.
Say that
Try
all
not
again.
to blow bubbles.
Say all that again.
Okay, this is station 5, reaction of hydrochloric acid. Carefully fill the pipette with hydrochloric acid. So, we're going to do that. It's filled. Use the pipette to cover the bottom of the well with hydrochloric acid.
Try not to blow bubbles.
Okay, so.
Emily, you want to get right over so you can see what's happening.
Well, that's pretty brittle.
You can hover.
And it is fully covered, so that's good. It says if there is no reaction, write none. If there is a reaction, describe what it looks like, bubbling, color change. So there's no reaction at the moment, but that doesn't mean there won't be in the future. So we'll try this one. That's covered, you say. Okay. And then we'll do this one.
Like that? Okay.
Did I figure it out?
It's floating. Huh. It's a shame. And this one. Oh, I need to go back for more.
I think that is.
Too difficult on that side.
Can we use
Okay, so far there are no reactions, but that doesn't mean
Created
there
a
won't
solid and it changed color.
be. Which one?
this getting
They were all separated. It was like dust, and now it's solid.
Okay.
And
Well,
it's turning
why don't you
a
do
color.
yours first, and then we'll go back.
Okay, my bad, sorry.
You just need to read it, right?
It's bubbling.
It's bubbling!
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's at least.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Oh, I don't know. It's either.
Oh, that was too deep.
I go. I got it too.
That one kind of is.
Yeah. So 8 and 6 kind of bubbled. Nothing happened to 5 and 7.
We don't know for sure yet. She said that it would take a long time to react. So,
That one definitely changed color though.
I don't see a color change. I just see, well,
color change?
the acid may have changed, but it is conglomerated. But either way, I think we should wait to put a official verdict until after we have the other ones.
Okay, well 6
Zoom in on number 6.
is lustrous.
Yes, we're on number 6.
6 is lustrous, and there was a reaction. This one.
Wait, point to it again.
Either leave my room or put goggles on.
I sure think
If you need to,
switching the
if you need to go do that, then just leave the room and itch and then come back in. Okay?
Oh. 6 had a chemical reaction, it bubbled, and 8 did.
He hit something
Okay, so bubbles, 6 and
and then I
bubbles,
get 2.
6.
That's not good. It's fired.
I know.
So keep your goggles on.
Chemical reaction bonded with a hammer.
What happened?
I have no idea.
But then like when...
I don't want to take it
Look
off.
at this paper.
Oh, you just did. So we're gonna roll that.
Okay,
I think it...
so wait, so is number 7 lustrous? Yes, it's lustrous.
Yes, and so is 6.
So it's malleable.
And
Studious people.
How come one of you is doing the top 5 and one of you is doing the bottom?
I know what you're supposed to do. Yeah.
No, you need to decide which sample's what.
Other.
What's the other?
That's what we're doing.
What are we supposed to do for other, Miss
What's
Dow?
sample number 1?
What did you say?
Which one is sample number 1? Is other?
Oh, well, we did
Miss Dow.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Who did sample 1, 2, 3, 4?
He did.
What's the sample?
Camera isn't here.
So why don't you write them in here?
What?
He has sample 1,
Really?
2, 3, 4.
Oh, right.
Yeah, you know what I mean?
That.
Okay.
You're having way too much fun. Listen, share
So
Look at our
samples 5,
samples
6,
now.
7, and 8, we write in 5.
there's no more sample 6, by the way.
Yeah.
It's all gone.
It
And,
disappeared?
yeah, no more. And sample 8's like
Number 2. Okay.
kind of dying too.
Bubbles disappeared. Dissolved.
Look at the color.
I already did mine.
Yes, definitely it's changed.
Is that 4? Changing water and it conglomerated.
Same way.
Changing color, conglomerated.
They did the same 4.
That's number 4. Okay, it's not about me. It's about the lab.
I've already looked at those enough.
It's brown. It's so
Looking at your paper bubbles.
it got like black stuff.
I'm gonna ask her your question.
It's gonna explode.
Oh, yeah.
Are you guys all
What's
done?
the other?
The other is texture.
I don't even want to do the next one.
But how do we know what the texture is if we can't feel it?
You can't what? You can look at it. Does it look smooth or rough? You know what I mean? Yeah, please don't feel.
Okay, copper has no reaction, sulfur has no reaction, and neither has 2. And 1, no reaction.
Hey, Kyle. So we're not doing the You're ridiculous.
Where are we now?
Station 6. Carefully fill the pipette with copper chloride. Try not to blow bubbles. Use the pipette to cover the bottom of the well with copper chloride. If there is no reaction, write none. If there is a reaction, describe what it looks like, bubbling, or color change.
Okay, so here I have the pipette filled with copper chloride, and we're going to put it in number 1. It's fully covered. Fully covered. That is reacting a lot. And
Is it reacting? It's bubbling.
it's bubbling.
Just a little bit.
And I need to go back for more. And
Let's give this a try.
I don't know if it's reacting, and put that in there. Okay.
It's like no reaction. Reaction pretty quickly.
So, so that's
Is there
Is there anything in there? No.
Nice.
I took the wrong one.
You can hold it either way.
She put it in the wrong place.
Oh, it turned black.
Weird.
That is one.
I know.
It's like breaking apart.
Was it number 8? Right there. Where? Was it number 8?
No, don't grab it with your hand.
Yeah.
It's eating away the top cover of 6.
What are they called?
Forceps.
Forceps. Come here with the forceps. Can I like kick it with my shoe?
Sometimes people are gonna hit me while I'm trying to do this.
So I would call this
There's some people
Okay,
trying to
with
read
6,
this video.
there's a reaction.
Let's start at number 1.
Or we start with
Okay. Number 1, there is a color change and bubbles.
Point to it. Writing down observation.
Number 2, a little bit of bubbles. Number 3, none. Number 4, conglomeration. And that's it.
6. No, that's 5. Conglomeration.
What's number 5?
5
Number 5.
is it's eroding. Corroding.
Corroding.
Corroding. That's 7. None. And 8 turned black. The sample turned black.
So color change.
Whoa, it looks like an eye.
Any of your, yeah, you can start writing down some of
Does
your
it?
reactions.
Yeah, it does, kind of.
Okay. Now we're gonna do texture. Okay, so the first one looks pretty smooth. Second one is pretty rough. How do you spell rough? Is that how you spell rough?
R-O-U-G-H.
Oh, I put an R after.
And third one is it's pretty smooth. I don't know.
It's like
It's kind of like
Brittle.
it's kind of I don't know. What would you say, Emily?
I'm just the cameraman.
You just look like a powdery texture.
Powdery.
Or soft.
Powdery. Fourth one's also powdery. What about you? What you got?
Hold on. Fifth one is I can find the 5th sample. It looks very rough.
Rough.
The 6th one, we don't have a 6th one, but it was very smooth. It looked like copper, this looked like 7, just smooth. Just silver.
And 7 is smooth.
Yep.
This
As
is
is
7.
8 is also smooth.
So it is 8. The eyeball is 8.
Oh my gosh, wait.
There we go.
Bethany's mom's substitute for Saint Day.
It's pretty cool.
Oh, yeah.
Getting something there? I guess we don't really need it.
Almost.
Okay, so this is conductivity.
Ah! Don't trip me.
Carefully with the conductivity meter. Wipe off the electrodes prongs with a paper towel and turn the meter on. You gotta have it off first, and then you turn it on.
Remember
Okay.
what this, do you remember what this
Hold the
blue
meter
stuff
at
is?
an angle against the sample. Let's do number 1 first.
Copper chloride.
Very,
Oh, you mean the...
Both
Made up of
conductive.
Copper and chlorine.
very conductive.
What's
So, very
happening here
conductive.
is a single replacement reaction.
Say
So
that
now it's
again?
getting less
Number
blue.
1 is conductive.
Yeah.
Put it
Very
on top of your paper. That one's less blue.
Number 2,
Yeah. What's happening is the metal that was in here, which I can't tell you what it is,
not conductive.
At all.
is being
Not conductive.
replaced with copper. So copper is
It is on.
Oh, displacement.
Is it really?
We're actually... Oh, yeah.
single displacement.
So we're the strongest...
Number
element
3.
instead
Yep.
of the weaker.
Yep, exactly. So now the weaker element is bonding with chlorine in the solution.
Oh, okay.
I'm having trouble here. I would say it's not conductive.
We
You
don't have
guys,
sample
right now,
4.
you can either work on the horns, but you also need to probably start filling out the stuff that you should have. You should have these 3 all done. Okay?
5.
So you only need to look at conductivity.
Conductive.
Oh wow. Changed the color.
I would say actually number 1's probably
Would you
very-
say that, like, you changed the color of...
Or the only ones
Number
you can check
6
down are that you
is
filled out. These, you're just gonna
Very
conductive.
Going off.
Okay,
So I just need these.
right, yep. And then the other ones, yeah.
Number
Every time.
7.
I'm gonna wipe it off.
Number 7 is.
How do you make it fly across the room? It's crazy.
Oh, I saw the lights.
Very conductive.
Really?
Is that it? Nope.
One more.
Why is there X here?
Because we didn't test that one.
No, I haven't done that yet. We haven't done that yet.
Yeah, they don't even get the
8 is conductive.
Never gonna see. Is that everything?
That is everything.
It's all done.
So you can stop it if you want.
It's done. Say bye.